In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best RC cars in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. The HBX all-terrain RC car can drive anywhere, with a max speed of 30 miles per hour, thanks to its astounding high-grip off-road tires. We tried it on a variety of surfaces and it just zipped along. The remote control's distance range is on the higher end, maxing out at 80 to 90 meters, and the PVC body and high-precision ball bearings means you won't have to worry about bumping into anything. Though the product's sturdy build quality and superior tires allow it to travel just about anywhere, the vehicle is not waterproof, so you will want to be careful while driving near puddles and the like. Additionally, the battery is only good for around 9 minutes of playtime before you'll have to charge it up for 60 to 90 minutes or so. Number 4. That's not a typo. LAEGENDARY is the brand and monster trucks is what it's good at making. As such, this off-road truck is every bit as all-terrain as it looks with those chunky tires and that high suspension setup. This is built rugged so it can take a knock or three, even when tearing about at that 20 miles per hour top speed. With a 40-minute battery life, this is ideal for going out in nature without having to worry about plugging in to recharge. Sure, they take a while to recharge, but since they come built in, they're easy to use, and it makes this an affordable all-in-one option. The shock absorption system is metal and is set up to clear rocks, branches and anything else that off-roading might throw at you. This even has headlights so you can keep going in darker times, which looks super cool too. There's little worry about obstacles as the pistol grip remote is super sensitive, so you can control the car very accurately. As such, it's aimed at older users mostly. Number 3. For all-out speed, this is the car to go for. With the right battery, this can hit a mind-bending 70 miles per hour. Yup, that does mean this will burn through tires fast, but it'll be worth it for the blisteringly fast fun. If that speed sounds worrying, fret not, the company is all about rugged building. In fact, it encourages racers to play with friends at speed and to push the limits, even to the point of risking crashing. The plastic is super flexible and the front basher plate is made to take head-on collisions. The backing of a 2-year warranty helps to support this claim of toughness. And frankly, at this price, you'd expect that. The 2050 kilovolts brushless motor is what gets you all the power from the trigger wheel remote. This Spectrum SLT3 radio is light and comfortable with responsive controls and easily adjustable tracking. ARRMA has built a speed demon that's good to race, jump and even get out in the wet and muck. When the tires wear down, you can even drift. This does it all very well. Number 2. This all-metal remote control car is in a league of its own, designed as a mini replica of the Land Rover Defender. If you can digest the price tag and want the ultimate rugged trail crawler, look no further. In terms of style, it's highly detailed to match the real deal and you can take it through rain, snow, and sleet, as it is waterproof sealed electronics. There's also a 2-speed transmission to give it extra pep, cruise control, and portal axles that give it substantial ground clearance to prevent torque twist. More than 550 customers give it an average 4.7 stars. The only downside, though likely not a deal breaker, is that the charger and batteries are sold separately. Number 1. Traxxas Rustler XL5 takes the top spot on our list of the best remote control cars because of a near-perfect blend of features. These are also topped off with a price tag that seems impossible for a car at this level. As such, this is the car that will suit most people. It's easy to set up and use. The 7-cell 9mAh rechargeable battery pushes the Rustler up to 35 miles per hour, making this lots of fun. That is limited to 15 minutes per charge, though you can upgrade this. There's good ground clearance to avoid knocks and bumps plus sealed electrics, so this works in water, snow and mud, making this good even for beginners. The remote is steering wheel controlled, allowing you to drive the two-wheel drive car with precision using that wheel and a trigger. Thanks to the large traction-heavy tires, this will take on most terrain with ease. The price is relatively low, but note that battery and charger are often sold separately. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.